All right, let's talk about the weather. Ray Petelin is talking about the possibility of some snow in May, as unusual as that is. But it's these temperatures, Ray, that really are getting my attention.
Yeah, we're actually looking at numbers by the start of the weekend to be down into the mid-20s to get things going. And this is going to lead to another freeze warning down the line. But in between now and that freeze warning, we have some rain, we have some wind, and there's also going to be, as Ken mentioned, some snow that moves into the area. So we have a whole lot going on here over just the next few days. As it stands right now, some spotty areas of rain. Most of this is light, but you'll see out towards Indiana, some heavier rain. That's the yellows you see on the radar. Also moving along 422 in towards Butler, a very small pocket of some of that steadier rain. But again, most of this rain will be on the light side, and we're not expecting that to change any as we go into the next 12 hours as these showers continue to work through. Actually, they won't take that long to get through the area. Mostly cloudy skies in Pittsburgh right now. The temperatures are as mild as they've been, 61 degrees, and winds out of the west at 10 to 15, gusts to 25, so it's a little gustier of an evening. Those gusts will stick with us for the next few hours, and we're looking at 61 degrees, Pittsburgh to Cranberry, back into Greensburg too, a little warmer, Waynesburg into Morgantown. Now north, those temperatures are generally in the upper 50s, although Newcastle with the 62 going on there. So these showers scattered around, and again, most of them light with a cold front that's dropping in. And typically behind a cold front, you get a little drying trying to take place. That's tonight and early tomorrow. Then later tomorrow, we'll start to see some showers riding along that front. And with the cold air in place and that moisture coming in, we're going to start this off as a cold rain. However, tomorrow evening, some snow showers. That's the blue. Try to show up there, especially up into the ridges, especially as you work away from Pittsburgh. So we're going to see some snowflakes around the area and a few more into early Saturday with those cold winds coming across the lake. A few lake effect snow showers trying to develop with high pressure building in, but I think generally we'll be clearing it out. Now, when you say snow, the first thing people want to know is how much. Not much. And it's looking like little to no accumulation for Pittsburgh. If we get anything, it'll be a light coating. Hopefully we don't get a tenth of an inch or more, but a tenth of an inch would be the first time we've had a measurable snow since 1966 in the month of May. Up to the north and in the ridges is where we'd have the better shot at seeing some of that, especially up in the ridges. Now the cold air. We have temperatures early Saturday down into the 20s, so another freeze warning is going into a place, and this is pretty much region-wide. Everybody is under this freeze warning thanks to those cold temperatures. So tonight you're going to see the temps upper 30s, a few showers around, a little breezy, a little gusty, but those will start to calm down a little bit. Rain showers mixing with snow later tomorrow. Early highs in the mid to upper 40s. Those numbers will start to settle down as we go through the day. You can see how this works out. Those temperatures start trailing into the evening, and that's where we see the mixing trying to take place. After some early flurries on Saturday, a cold day overall. Mother's Day, 57, early sunshine, showers late that carry over into Monday. And then towards the middle of next week, we finally start to see those numbers creeping back up to where they should be for this time of year.